Welcome to cucumber, the coolest vegetable in the garden. Get ready to dive deep into the world of this incredibly refreshing food. Cucumbers are more than just a slice in your salad. They're a global phenomenon with a rich history and surprising health benefits. What makes the cucumber so universally loved? Is it the crisp texture, the high water content, or simply the fresh, light taste? We'll find out why it's a favorite worldwide. Today, we'll cover its ancient history, amazing health benefits, versatile culinary uses, and even how you can grow your own. Let's start at the beginning, tracing the long and fascinating history of the cucumber. The cucumber originated in India over 3,000 years ago, and from there, it spread across Asia, Africa, and eventually Europe, becoming a global staple. Did you know ancient Egyptians used cucumbers in their diet? And the Greeks and Romans used them for medicinal purposes and cooling effects? Some things never change, like using them for a soothing eye treatment. Now, let's explore the powerful health benefits packed inside this humble green vegetable. Cucumbers are approximately 96% water, making them an excellent way to stay hydrated, especially during the hot summer months. Despite being mostly water, cucumbers provide essential nutrients like vitamin K for bone health, vitamin C for immunity, and B vitamins for energy. Since they are very low in calories, cucumbers are a fantastic addition to any weight management plan, offering volume without the calorie load. Beyond health, the cucumber shines in the kitchen and even in your beauty routine. From refreshing salads and crisp sandwiches to the beloved pickle, the cucumber's mild flavor makes it incredibly versatile for countless recipes. Its cooling properties are great for skincare. Apply chilled slices to your eyes to reduce puffiness, or enjoy a cucumber-infused water for a refreshing glow. Thinking of starting a garden? Cucumbers are a must-have. Here's what you need to know about growing them. Cucumbers thrive in warm weather and need consistent watering and plenty of sunshine. Choose a spot that allows them to climb for best results. You can choose between slicing varieties for fresh eating or pickling varieties, which are shorter and perfect for making your own preserves. Whether you eat them raw, pickled, or use them in your self-care routine, the cucumber truly is a magnificent and essential vegetable. It's versatile, hydrating, and packed with vitamins. No wonder it's been a garden staple for millennia. What is your favorite way to enjoy a cucumber? Share your recipes and tips in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more food deep dive.